Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Progress report. We got a automatic pedals, the brake pedal only, I guess, and removed, and we put the stick shift pedals in with the clutch. I don't know, I can't really show you, but there's 4 bolts that bolt the back plate. There's 4 bolts. Then you take these 2 bolts out, these 2 bolts out, and then there's one straight up in the center of the pedal. And there's one little 10mm bolt on the top that comes out. And then you fight with the pedal to get it out. And then you fight with the pedals to get them in. But like I said, they're in. No clutch cable, but it's in. I don't know. There's all these boxes here. I'd like to really find out what they're about. Do not drop. Do not drop. That thing has been bounced around for the last hour. But there's another box somewhere here. I'm really going to look. Yeah, this thing here. Not sure what this one is. If anybody knows, I would like to know, just for my own knowledge. And I think there's another. This line here goes in the back of the pedal. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's for the cruise control. Like when you push the pedal, it shuts the cruise off. I'm not sure. But I will definitely find out when it's time to wire this car up. I'm going to find out about every wire, every connector, and I will investigate. Of course, you know what these are. This is for ignition switch, hazard, windshield wipers, all that stuff. Pretty much self-explanatory. You unplug them, they only go back one way. So that's what we're up against for today. Let's see if I can get all this back together and looking normal. Also, I removed the tack. Obviously, you can see that. The tack. I have the new tack. Well, the new tack. The V8 tack up here. Let me get it because I'm probably going to just, I don't know. I might just take the tack part out or I might just swap the whole thing. We'll see. It would really be horrible if I put it in and it didn't work. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But that's where we're up. See, this one goes up to 7,000. The other one only goes up to, I believe, 6,000. Also, what I noticed, which I don't understand it, but you see the lights over here, the orange lights back on the cluster? There's no wires, no nothing. They're dummy lights on this car. Why, I don't know, but that's how it was, and that's how it's going to go back. All right, so that's the update for this week. Hit the like, subscribe, dislike, whatever needs to be done. Help out the channel. Trying to do this. We'll see how it works out. I know the car's going to work out, but this filming and working and showing, I got to tell you, man, it's not easy, man. Once you get going, you just go. Also, we got, so like I said, we're going to do all this. I bought a Harbor Freight sandblaster. And I sandblasted the pedals because they were rotted from the other car. But I got to tell you, I mean, you know, it is what it is, but those pedals came out mint. I got to say, mint. I sandblasted. I just gave it a quick coat of trim black, and that's it. So, that's the progress, guys. Hope you like it. I'm probably going to sandblast all this. I'm going to probably sandblast all that. You know, wherever there's little rust that I can't get to, I'm going to sandblast it, see how it comes out. I'm painting it. I'm not smoothing it. I'm not going that crazy. This car's going to be a driver. I'm going to drive it as much as possible. I'm probably going to try to do the wire tuck, or at least half of it, you know, clean it up, make it look nice. Of course, we got the list. We got the list of what to do. I haven't really did much, but we're getting there, little by little. All right, guys, enjoy your day. Have a good tomorrow, and see you on the next one. Peace.